Hey again, it's Amy Pittman. I'm talking about the series of our basics of estate planning. So now I'm going to talk about Hipaa. Hipaa is a short version of us talking about the authorization to release our private medical information. So that is federal law. That's not a Florida thing, but that is something you'll see included in a lot of our documents today, whether it's our healthcare surrogate, our durable power of attorney, or our trust. That's basically allowing someone to have access to your personal information. So if I have a Hipaa authorization, I'm going to have my spouse, I'm going to have maybe my sisters, and the people that I've named as my healthcare surrogate or the backup healthcare. Because I want to make sure that they have the ability to talk to my doctors, they can go get a second opinion. So you want to make sure that you have people that you want to have access to that information on there. There is no order of priority, and these people on this authorization release form are not necessarily your decision makers. So I could have Josh as my healthcare surrogate, but also my sister's on there, because I have 4 of them. They could be on the Hipaa authorization, so maybe he's overwhelmed or emotional and not sure what the right decision is. That would allow any one of my sisters, if he gives them the form, because we don't always say give it to them right now, they can then go talk to my medical providers to maybe help him make an informed decision, because we know that when you're in a medical situation or your spouse or loved one, it's very difficult to kind of see all the big picture sometimes, especially when it's very emotional or potentially end of life. So when you think about the Hipaa authorization, that is who you want to have information, because maybe there's someone in your family or a family friend that is a physician that might be able to explain things a little better than the medical providers at the hospital or your primary care. So Hipaa is the authorization to release medical. It is legally the access to your medical information that your person that you've named, and you could have a list of people, would give to the medical providers, your hospital, your doctor, so that they can talk to them. And again, I'm not saying you need to have 20 people on this list or give it to them right now, but you want to make sure that they know that they are on that list, so they have access, and if they need a copy, they know where to go get it. All right, that's Hipaa. Hope that helps. Have a good one.